Team Fullest. So today I want to show you guys how I take my pictures for my YouTube thumbnails behind the scenes. So sometimes I do get questioned like, how do you take your pictures? Sometimes I do have help in the house. There's someone in the house to take my pictures, but most of the time there is no one in the house and I'm filming by myself because that is the time that the house is more quiet. I prefer to film when there's no one in the house is quiet, it's just me by myself. That is when my remote control comes in handy because I'm filming with the Sony 6400 and I have this remote control that I set up with the camera and I press it and then you wait for 3 seconds and then you take pictures. I love this remote control because then it really gave me the ability for me to be able to take my own pictures even if I'm outside in the public or I'm home. I take different type of pictures because I just want to have different poses, different looks, and then later on I transfer the pictures into my phone. There is an app. If you use the Sony camera, you know the Sony camera has an app that you can transfer all your pictures and small videos into your phone, and I select from those pictures which one I want to use. Sometimes I take like a lot of pictures and I don't really end up using them all of it. I just select the ones I like, but I just love the fact that I have different pictures to choose from and to choose the one I like the best to use for thumbnails. So this is how I do it. I also I have also make a video behind the scenes showing you guys how I set my things, how I prepare whenever I want to film video, because you guys know I'm filming. When it comes to film, I like to film in my bedroom. I film right in front of the window, but even though I have ring lights, but I have the ring light on a little bit because sometimes the sunlight kind of go up and down and it can be really annoying sometimes. So I also like to have my ring light on, and as I'm filming I'm taking pictures. I'm stopping in between filming and take pictures. I'm stopping in between filming and take pictures. So I have like different type of pictures, and then later on I just select from there and then I go into my phone. I edit my thumbnails, choose the ones that are nice, and after editing I'm like, okay, this is done. So you guys can see I just did some touch up with my eyebrow, and then I have different type of pose. I just pose different, and because I'm doing like a makeup tutorial here, so I'm not really actually finished, but I just want to take like pictures, so at least I have like before the makeup, in between, and the finished result. So this is it. This is how I take my pictures. Hope you like it.